Hi friends, this is the journal I had for Tangerine Tokyo Takeover, Stationery, Shopping, and Sightseeing. I will flip through this in a little bit, but for now, let's go to the vlog. All right, we're saying goodbye to the hotel. We're getting on this bus.
Bus day, everybody!
It's a wave. Yay. It's a video. Bus day! Bianca is crafting on the bus.
It's right there in Jefferson.
And it's so impressive. I'm jealous because I get a little motion sickness and I can't do it. But I am very envious of what's happening right now.
You can live vicariously.
I know. Thank goodness I'm sitting next to you. But I don't know if it's serving me or making it worse.
She's killing it.
That was amazing. Nobody got run over by a bike. So cute. Thank you. Obsessed. Oh, and look at my bag. I got a lot of stuff. All right, I got distracted and I stamped my book and went crazy and then didn't actually film too much more, but I promise you we had the best time ever. It was unbelievable. I don't even know how 90 minutes goes so fast, but if you're in Tokyo, you have to make the trip. And the girls are so sweet. It is incredible. I'm so happy right now. I just did this one. The girls did this one. And I got the one I wanted. Oh, I need to show Heidi this Miffy. But this candy doll one, I got her. I haven't been here since 2016. I'm so excited. There wasn't a line back then, but now there is. So far, only 2 washi tapes, but we are definitely adding more. So I got JC this leather folder. Isn't that cool? Basket's filling up. We did a whole stamping station thing. It took us a long time. We're having too much fun. Yes, I am. It's so cute.
I'm so excited about these stinking stamps.
I know. It's so fun. It's raining. Kind of hard. I'm freezing. Why didn't I take an umbrella? That's so dumb. There was an umbrella on our bus and they did not take it. We have been journaling and scrapbooking, and these delightful ladies have just read us their journal entry. What's your name?
Christine, and I'm from Australia, Brisbane, Australia. And yesterday I went to Mount Fuji and didn't see a thing, so I entered a little entry into my journal. I came all the way to Japan to see Mount Fuji, and apparently she's feeling mysterious today. Not a single glimpse, not a hint, just vibes and clouds. Pretty sure Fuji saw my itinerary and said, hide and seek, I'll go first, and then simply never came back. At this point, I'm just staring at a large, suspicious cloud that's mountain-shaped, saying like, I know you're there. 10 out of 10 trip so far, incredible views in my imagination.
Brilliant! So good!
I just thought, I'm just going to joke about this, you know. We came all the way from Australia to see Mount Fuji and all we got were clouds, didn't we? So good luck, ladies. I hope you guys actually see her.
Thank you.
Yes, and we will.
I put it together on the trip. I brought a blank craft journal with me and didn't have any idea of what I wanted to put on the cover. And of course, as serendipitous as the trip was, 2 of the people made these by hand, which is so incredible. And I made sure to put them onto my cover, and I love this book so much. I also picked up this cover from Tokyo Disneyland, which I will show you that part of the vlog eventually, but that's what I got from the stationery store at Tokyo Disneyland, which is incredible that they even have a huge stationery store there. I just started sticking random things in. I actually left this page pretty much blank. And then while we were at Rainbowholic, I went crazy with the stamps. I also did it at Travelers. The first night, if you watched part 1 of the vlog, then you saw the Family Chickie. You saw this. We did a little convenience crawl on our first evening. This was the itinerary for the stationery shopping day. That was the photo at Atoya. We were just missing 2 people. Oh, that needs to be, I think I should just glue that down, right? Sorry. May as well piece this together while I'm here. I used my tip and tape with Lauren Phelps collaboration to tip this in. I have room for journaling if I feel like filling that in later. Got the little stamp there. It was raining, but we saw some pretty cherry blossoms, did a selfie at the train station. I think most of us are there, but not all of us. Yep, this was bus day. I don't even think I put bus day. Let's do that right now. I've got these really fun alphabets, but I think I'm going to use a different color. One moment, please. Oh yeah, I do have enough letters here. This is very well loved. These little guys need to be punched out. I don't use tweezers with stickers, but I'm starting to think that I might want to get a pair. Do you all use tweezers when you use your stickers? I was going to do a haul video, maybe separately, for those who want to see what I got from all these places. Oops. The nice thing about these stickers is that you can reposition them very easily. That's a good color. It matches that right there. Look at all these stamps she has at her store. It's really such a cute little shop. You must visit. It was so wonderful being able to do that. Kayla's the owner right here, and she has some really sweet staff members, and their shop is filled with so much goodness. I can't even tell you. Oh, what I didn't show you in the vlog was that we stopped at Sakaido. They don't allow filming in there, but this is my mom's favorite stationery shop, and that was Paula's first time there. So it was really cool to be able to show her something that we have loved for many years. And we got some paints and some other goodies. I think everybody is in this group photo. I brought my Instax printer with me along on the trip. I'll link it below so that you can see the one that I love. Actually, you know what? I just lied to you. I did not bring this Instax printer. I thought I did, but I didn't have it. I brought film with me, and you know what I did? I used it as an excuse to buy the brand new one. I had a pink Instax Mini Link 2, and so in Japan, I bought this Instax Mini Link 3, and that's how I was able to print pictures while I was there. Highly recommend. Again, room for journaling if I feel like doing this. Water bottle, wrapper. Then we went to the Travelers Factory flagship store. This is actually something that Paula gave us in our goodie bags. So that wasn't one of the stamps that I used. I happened to paste it in before going there, which is how I was able to layer these stamps on top and stick the washi tape from my bag. There's some more washi tape that I purchased, and then a card. Always great to get business cards. Kiki was so sweet. We were talking for a long time. It was very rainy, but we had the best bus driver, and he let us stop at an unplanned place on our way to see the Statue of Liberty. So we were able to see this transformer that Marina's son was obsessed with. So we got to see it light up. The timing was perfect. I don't know how we were able to do that, but truly everything was so serendipitous on this trip. It's hard to explain, but it just worked out so perfectly. I didn't buy any stationery things at Starbucks Reserve. However, I just love that they give you this with your drink. This is what came with my sandwich, so I pasted it in while we were sitting at the table. I did a little crafting. On-the-go crafting is something I really enjoy because I can't really sit still, and it was so wonderful to enjoy my Sakura cream latte while also gluing these elements down. Then you saw our group shot for the Statue of Liberty. This was a different printer that I took with me, and I will link that below too. Oh, we have more fun in store. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed seeing parts 1 and 2 of this Tangerine Tokyo takeover. I can't wait to share more with you soon. I will link actually the video that Hobonichi put onto their channel so that you can take a look, and I will show you the behind the scenes very soon in part 3 of the Tangerine Tokyo takeover in a couple weeks. Thanks so much for watching.